Let's talk about Start Page Login Ads, advertising, and the Start Page Advertising-ROLODEX, and how to use Login Start Page ads to generate ad traffic. Login Start Page ads are promotional advertising that are instantly displayed on an advertiser's website's homepages as its visitors, users, and members are logging in. Because these sites are visited by tens of thousands of digital entrepreneurs from all over the world and around the clock, this can create instant visibility, engagement, and massive exposure for your offers. The Login Ad Start Page Advertising-ROLODEX now offers over $80 worth of free advertising with a built-in traffic reseller, a free URL link rotator capable of loading up to 10 of your favorite affiliate links, free and paid solo and email ad traffic, and our new Login Start Page Advertising-ROLODEX affiliate funnel system. To unlock your free advertising free URL link rotator, all of the ad traffic resources, and get all of the details about becoming one of our Start Page login ads. Rolodex affiliates, visit us over at instantleadandcashsystem.com. Can't wait to see you inside, and thanks for watching.